AskReddit COVID-19 Megathread week of April 2nd to April 8th. Subscriber all and humanity. What are the silver linings in this pandemic? How sad is it that I'm just refreshing AskReddit so much I saw this the second it posted? Maybe I should leave the house. I see alcohol sales have skyrocketed. Are you guys drinking alone? Anybody need to talk? How's everyone doing? How is North Korea faring with COVID-19? Haven't seen much about their statistical information with respect to number of confirmed cases and/or deaths related to coronavirus. Do you think that because they are a largely isolated country that their numbers may be comparatively low? How do you think COVID-19 will change the world after it's over? Certainly we all can't believe that things will just go back to normal when the virus is contained. What non-essential thing do you wish you had done before the pandemic? I wish I had gotten my nails done. Not for vanity but just so they would have a chance to grow out without me biting them or working and destroying them. Monsieur, are the U.S. senators who quickly offloaded stocks news report after being briefed on COVID-19 guilty of insider trading, or is it just viewed as just morally repugnant? When the quarantine is over, what is something you're looking forward to doing? For someone who used to get all of their exercise walking in their city, what are some good exercises I can do to stay fit? All I have is a mat and two 10-pound dumbbells. All the YouTube channels I've seen are overwhelming with their suggestions. Does anyone have any leads on good mass DIYs? I found this one which is the best I have seen so far. https://clinical-division/alternative-n95-mask-production/ but want to see potential alternatives. Fellow Redditors from badly affected countries with strict measures, is anybody trying to circumvent restrictions? Are there any people angry at the measures, trying to gather large groups of people for riots, etc.? Veterinarians, people in the know. What is the lowdown on various pets during the pandemic? I.e., what can be infected, what can infect us, etc. Besides an income source, what is something that you really need to do, have, but cannot because of this pandemic? What's going to be the big plot twist at the end of COVID-19? Are there any jobs that people can get during this pandemic? Is there a list of free stuff, games, VOD services, that has been made available because of COVID-19? Bonus point if it's updated so that things that are no longer free are removed. Further points if it's organized by region, country, territory. Thanks. A question to people who still need to use public transport during the pandemic. How is your traveling experience? I am a service designer currently working on a project with a state-owned public transport service company in Norway. Our brief is looking into the situation on public transportation in today's situation with the pandemic outbreak of COVID-19, especially focusing on healthcare workers and others who must still go to work. I would like to hear your thoughts, from the perspective of your country, city, on these questions. How do you experience traveling with public transportation today? What could be changed and why? What are your needs as a healthcare worker on public transit? What makes you feel unsafe? Safe. Thank you in advance. What's it like getting COVID-19? Are you scared or do you not feel any particular emotions? What are you guys doing to help people during this time? Any cool projects you recommend? Has anyone from Ontario heard what Doug Ford said about fining people for being around those with whom they don't live? What's the scoop on that? Many people have said that the world will be different after COVID-19. What things do you think will be different? We need to be creative when it comes to making homemade masks. I'm hoping some people more intelligent than I can weigh in on a potential big help for the public. A friend suggested using a maxi pad inserted into a cotton mask as a filter. Thinking about it, wouldn't this work to absorb droplets? Scientist help. I have a compromised immune system and I'm looking for some makeshift mask solutions. Peace. Don't care to argue about pros and cons of mask wearing. I'm well aware of both. Sunflower.